international relief efforts continue in the Horn of Africa. As the worst drought to hit the nations of Eastern Africa in 60 years continues to jeopardize the lives of over 12 million people, the United Nations Children's Fund, or UNICEF, stated that more than 300,000 children are severely malnourished and in immediate risk of death. Warning that a lack of donations is hindering efforts to curb the crisis, the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, or FAO, on Thursday, August 18th, called on international governments and their donor partners for both immediate food aid and longer-term assistance to farmers in coping with the effects of climate change. With UNICEF and the World Health Organization, or WHO, noting an increase in the number of cholera cases, humanitarian organization Oxfam and partner Hijra have launched a prevention program that provides oral rehydration salts and soap along with a public information campaign. Oxfam has also airlifted 47 tons of vital water supplies and hygiene materials to Somalia's capital, Mogadishu. A measles epidemic has also begun to spread in the region, with an average of 10 children under 5 perishing daily at the Kobe refugee camp in Ethiopia. In response, WHO, UNICEF, and partners have launched an emergency vaccination campaign in the most vulnerable areas. Operations to improve sanitation and curb the spread of disease are also being implemented by the group International Orthodox Christian Charities in cooperation with the Ethiopian Orthodox Church Development and Inter-Church Aid Commission.
With Somalia's food stocks being rapidly depleted, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, or OIC, held an emergency meeting on Wednesday pledging $350 million for famine relief in the nation. The United Kingdom is donating an additional £25 million via UNICEF to provide food for Somali children and vaccinate over 1 million against measles and polio. In collaboration with UN agencies, Kuwait-based charity Direct Aid has said it is providing 60,000 warm meals in 20 centers throughout Kenya and Somalia daily, while a 7th batch of relief from the Kuwait Red Crescent Society containing 10 tons of aid was sent on Thursday. Singapore's government is also donating $50,000 and Mexico $1 million to help alleviate the crisis. The government of Guyana also contributed $100,000, while the Red Cross Society of China has allocated $1.25 million in humanitarian aid. Meanwhile, hundreds of thousands of Kenyan donors have put together $7.6 million thus far to help fellow countrypersons suffering from hunger through the Kenyans for Kenya campaign.
Upon first hearing about the suffering of the East African people in July, Supreme Master Ching Hai pledged $100,000 each to save the children, Oxfam, and the Red Cross for a total of $300,000 in emergency assistance for the crisis, sending a message that she was doing so with love and gratitude for these noble organizations' compassionate works.
Our gratefulness for the caring efforts of all international governments, organizations, and individuals to help those in need, as well as for Supreme Master Ching Hai's heartfelt aid. May heaven protect the affected African people as we pray for the blessing of gentle rain and the end to all such suffering through our gentler ways as a vegan world.
Supreme Master Ching Hai wants to convey this message of gratitude to all governments, organizations, and relief workers from every corner of the world. Thank you all the international and national help that brings care and necessities to afflicted victims. Thank you all the relief workers for taking time and forsaking your own comfort, even traveling great distance on unfavorable roads and conditions to bring love and assistance to people in time of need. May heaven bless you abundantly for your generosity and noble sacrifice.